Hi, it's Kathleen from oldworldfarmhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you my wallpaper steamer. About a year ago, I was stripping wallpaper in this very room using a manual method of hot soapy water, and I actually made a video about it, and it does work well. It's a cool method. I don't like gadgets. I'm intimidated by gadgets, even small electrics, I don't. But my husband picked one of these up used, and so I was like, gotta try it. Here it is. Okay. It's awesome. It's much quicker than the manual method, as lovely as that is, and as necessary as it is sometimes. And if you want instructions on how to do that, please check out that video that I made with my son. But today I wanted to show you this handheld little steamer and how it works. So it's all ready to go. It's been heating up. You plug it in until it heats up and starts steaming, and then you just get to work. So I'm going to show you how that works and what that looks like today. I'm filling up my steam bucket for the wallpaper steamer here in my bathtub. Okay, so I filled up the tank with water, and then this part just gets screwed back on here. Okay, so I've got the water thing that connects to my paddle plugged in, and then just turn around here on the back and the electric gets plugged in right there. All right, the first step is to score the paper with one of these wallpaper scorers. So just take a section, maybe 2 feet by 2 feet, and then just go ahead and rip your paper. That's going to help the steam get behind it and the glue to release. Okay, after you've got your paper good and scored, it's time to take the steamer handle, just kind of looks like an iron, and you just set it down on the wall. In sections for about 10 seconds at a time. Give the steam a chance to get underneath the paper and start lifting and weakening the glue. Okay, and then that has weakened the paper, and I'm going to take my 5-in-1 tool, which is my favorite thing to scrape paper with, although you can use any kind of paint scraper. And I'm just going to start lifting the paper off of this old plaster. And you can see it's coming up just like butter.